What's up, YouTube? So today we're gonna be doing something slightly different. We're actually gonna be meeting up with a couple friends. My boy named Chris, he actually has the Ecoboost Mustang, and it's pretty much full bolt-on at this point. He kind of want to see how good his car could do against my stock 5.0 Mustang. The only thing I've done to my car is just an X-pipe and no mufflers. That's pretty much it. As well, I have another friend who has I think it's a 2011 E550 Mercedes-Benz, and he also wants to see how it'll do against the Mustang as well. I'm sure that car is pretty quick. I'm sure that both cars are pretty quick. And there might be another 5.0 that's showing up, but I'm not sure. Unfortunately, two of my friends couldn't show up. But we're gonna see how it all goes. So what all you got done to it?
So these stickers right here, they add about infinity horsepower.
Infinity gun?
Nah, I'm fucking with you. No, I have the C&L cold air intake closed box system. In here, I've got the Turbo Smart dual port. I know it's kind of hard to see from this angle.
Yeah.
We got the Turbo Smart dual port blow-off valve right in there. On the back, I have the MVRP Race catback exhaust, all black with the 3-inch tips, and I have a Y pipe underneath. And then I've got a Cobb access port V3 with running stage 1 map. But I got Ryan Martin from PD Tuning is in a little bit to the car. Added like a little burble tune on there, and is also recommending me different things to do before I push on to stage 2, like intercooler, charge pipes. So I do have a couple other things.
It sounds good though, that's for sure.
But my next big thing I want to do really is some nicer wheels and tires. My tread's almost gone on these, so a few thousand miles, probably gonna swap those out, and then intercooler and charge pipes.
I see you got a pinstripe on that too.
Yeah, I just added that before we went to the Tail of the Dragon trip. I just slapped that on literally the day before we went. So I was shocked that it still had on there because it was snowing like crazy up there.
Yeah, that's a good touch. Yep, that's my whip over there, stock 5.0. Just got aesthetic mods basically. Let's see what it can do. Right here, my man.
Yeah, I'm running a big V8 twin turbo Mercedes-Benz 2011 E550.
I think this one's no, I think you got a natural aspirated one. I think. This what year?
2011.
Oh yeah, that's a natural aspirated one. This thing clean though. Well, got some Mercedes. Yeah, that interior is pretty cool. I know it's real dark and y'all can't really see it, but Mercedes really did their thing with this car. What was it, like 6-speed? 7-speed transmission, I think.
Honestly, it got no, it's 6-speed.
Oh, 6-speed.
6-speed transmission. You can push it up to 6-speed.
Okay.
But other than that,
That ain't bad. Yo, I messed around and accidentally forgot to film like the first run. Dang it, man. I had it in like picture mode. So I ended up taking a picture instead of actually filming. Dang. Sorry, Mike. But yeah, it was a good run. We'll try it again. Then that CTSV wants to race me. We'll see. Then I gotta race my boy with the Mercedes. I'll give you a hit. Dang, I misfit again. thing is quick.
He's got me on the top end.
Oh my God, that 10 speed is crazy.
Going back around.
You wanna do it right here or you wanna get off the exit? All right. Yep. Boy, this thing is fast.
Oh yeah, his top end, he's got me.
Alright. No, not a car, that's a real car. Alright. That was good, bro. Your car is so freaking fast.
Hey, I'm catching up to you, boy.